Running two coding agents in one checkout creates a collision domain. They can rewrite the same files, move the branch pointer, or invalidate each other's build artifacts. A Git worktree gives each Hermes session a separate checkout and branch while sharing the repository object database, so parallel work stops competing for one working tree. The fastest workflow is to enter the repository and run Hermes with the -w worktree flag. Hermes creates a disposable checkout under .worktrees with its own Hermes branch, then points terminal and file tools at that directory. Open another terminal and repeat the command to give the second agent an independent lane. If an interactive session is already open, use /worktree new followed by a useful experiment name. Hermes creates the named worktree and retargets the session's file and terminal tools without a restart. By default it bases the branch on a freshly fetched remote tip. Disable worktree synchronization only when that trade-off is deliberate. Do not confuse three boundaries. A worktree isolates checkout and branch state. Hermes checkpoints can capture file changes for rollback. Neither one is an operating system sandbox. Agents can still share user credentials, processes, network access, and other directories on a local backend. Use Docker or another sandbox when execution isolation is required. Parallelism works only with a clean handoff contract. Give each worktree one bounded outcome and avoid overlapping ownership. Require the agent to report its branch, commits, changed files, tests, and unresolved risks. Review and merge through Git rather than copying files between worktrees, because the branch history is the durable coordination record. Hermes can remove clean disposable worktrees on exit, while dirty or unpushed work is preserved for recovery. After merging, test the integrated result in the destination checkout, then remove the worktree and prune stale references only when branch evidence is safe. The reliable pattern is isolate, commit, review, merge, verify, and only then clean up.